Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Sony camcorder is probably one of the most versatile video recording devices on the market today. Whether you're a budding filmmaker, a vlogger, or simply someone who loves capturing memories, this camera offers a compelling blend of features and performance. From its impressive image quality and advanced stabilization to its user-friendly interface, the Sony Camcorder is designed to make video creation accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Number 5. Sony FDR-AX53B 4K Camcorder. This Sony camcorder lets you record videos in incredible 4K resolution. It ensures your memories are captured with exceptional clarity and detail. Featuring a Zeiss lens with a 20x optical zoom in 4K, it brings distant subjects closer. You can also utilize the 30x clear image zoom in 4K for even more reach. The camcorder includes a 3.0-inch LCD touchscreen and an electronic viewfinder, EVF. It also has a manual ring for precise adjustments, making it easy to control. With Wi-Fi and NFC, sharing your videos is simple. It also includes a night shot mode and 4K time-lapse capture. Inside the box, you'll find a rechargeable battery, AC adapter, power cord, and various cables. It comes with everything you need to start recording right away. What we like. This camcorder boasts stunning 4K resolution and a versatile Zeiss lens, ensuring every shot is crisp and clear. It also features a 4K time-lapse capture, allowing you to create captivating videos of long events. If you're a content creator looking to elevate your videos with professional-grade quality and unique features, you should consider it. What people say. The balanced optical steady shot, BOSS, image stabilizer on this thing is phenomenal for handheld shooting, best I've ever seen. You can walk while shooting in wide angle, or zoom in all the way while standing still, and get usable to great footage, no tripod necessary. I used a formatted 256GB SD card, format in camera not a computer, etc. And quality in all three modes was amazing. Number 4. Sony HDR-CX405 HD Handycam Camcorder, Black. Introducing the Sony HDR-CX405. This Handycam allows you to record in high definition. It's perfect for capturing all of your memories. With multiple codecs like ZAF-S, AVC-HD, and MP4, it ensures versatility. You can record at 60p for smooth, detailed footage. The 30x optical and 60x clear image zoom gets you closer to the action. The 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens captures more in every shot. It automatically creates highlight videos. Optical steady shot image stabilization with active mode keeps your videos smooth. A built-in USB cable makes transferring files and charging simple. Face detection with voice enhancement and noise reduction ensures clear audio. Get creative with 7 picture effects for both videos and photos. View your footage on the 2.7-inch Clear Photo Plus LCD display. Intelligent Auto can recognize up to 60 different scene combinations. The focal length, 35mm, for video is f equals 26.8, 804.0mm, 16:9. For still images, it's f equals 26.8-804.0 mm, 16:9, and f equals 32.8-984.0 mm, for :3. Please note, it does not have an external microphone input, and it charges via USB at DC 5V 800 mA. What we like. With its impressive 30x optical zoom and steady shot image stabilization, this camcorder brings you closer to the action while keeping your footage smooth. The built-in USB cable makes transferring and charging a breeze. If you're a casual user or a family looking for an easy-to-use camcorder with great zoom capabilities, you should consider it. What people say. The camera's image stabilization is excellent, producing smooth video even when walking or moving. The autofocus is fast and accurate, quickly locking onto subjects. The camera offers a wide range of manual controls, allowing for customization of settings like aperture, shutter speed, and white balance. Number 3. Sony FDR-AX43 4K Handycam. Introducing the Sony FDR-AX43, a camcorder designed to bring your memories to life. It records in stunning 4K resolution, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity. This camcorder features a 2.5-inch XMR or CMOS sensor, optimized for low-light conditions. This allows it to capture beautiful videos even when the lighting isn't ideal. Say goodbye to shaky footage with the built-in balanced optical steady-shot image stabilizer. It ensures your videos are smooth and professional-looking, no matter the situation. With a 20x optical zoom and clear image zoom, it gets you closer to the action. It also has a wide-angle Zeiss Variosonar T lens, perfect for capturing expansive scenes. The fast intelligent AF system quickly tracks focus, so you never miss a moment. This ensures your subjects are always sharp and in focus. The 26.8mm wide-angle lens allows you to capture more in every shot. This is perfect for landscapes, group shots, and everything in between. What we like. This camcorder features a built-in gimbal for incredibly stable footage, even while you're on the move. It also offers 4K resolution and fast intelligent AF, ensuring your videos are both sharp and focused. If you're a vlogger or someone who loves to record action-packed moments, you should consider it. What people say. True color 4K, real zoom that's clean and crisp, no pixel crap in your video, true image coloring. Wi-Fi to peer-to-peer to allow your phone to use it as a remote control, so you can remotely zoom, pan, focus, change features on the fly, massive battery, and it's a big girl. They immediately see how great the picture quality is, and increased features and controllability, without getting overwhelmed or confused. There are many capture formats, frame rates, codecs, and more. The battery life is very impressive. The menu is easy to navigate. The sensor allows for high-quality images. Number 2. Sony HDR-CX405 Camcorder Kit. This kit includes everything you need to start recording. It features a high-quality camcorder, perfect for capturing memories. It's easy to use and delivers excellent video quality. Never worry about running out of space. The included 32GB memory card provides ample storage for all your videos. You can record hours of footage without needing to swap cards. Keep the recording going with the spare battery. This ensures you won't miss a moment, even on longer shoots. It's a convenient addition for any videographer. Enhance your videos with the included LED light. It provides extra illumination in low-light situations. This helps to create brighter and more professional-looking videos. Get steady shots with the included tripod. It's perfect for capturing smooth videos and photos. It's lightweight and easy to carry around. Keep your camcorder safe with the included case. It protects the device from scratches and damage. This ensures the device stays in great condition. Maintain the quality of your equipment with the cleaning kit. It includes everything you need to keep the lens and screen clean. This helps to ensure the best possible video quality. What we like. This camcorder comes as a complete kit, including everything you need to start recording right away. It offers 1080p HD recording and includes a variety of useful accessories. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a hassle-free setup with all the essentials, you should consider it. What people say. The size is perfect for throwing in your travel bag. Compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand, yet has plenty of convenient features. I am very satisfied with the quality of video this camcorder has. Number 1. Sony HDR-CX405 Camcorder, 30x Optical Zoom, Black. This Sony camcorder records in full HD with multiple codecs like SAVGAS, AVC HD, and MP4. It allows you to record at 60p for smooth, detailed videos. Get closer to the action with its 30x optical zoom and 60x clear image zoom. The 26.8mm wide-angle Zeiss lens ensures you capture more in every shot. The camcorder automatically creates highlight videos and features optical steady-shot image stabilization. It also has a built-in USB cable for easy file transfer and charging. It includes face detection with voice enhancement and noise reduction. You can also get creative with 7 picture effects for both videos and photos. View your footage on the 2.7 Clear Photo Plus LCD display. The intelligent auto feature can recognize up to 60 different scene combinations, making it easy to use. Please note that this product does not have an external microphone input. The focal length, 35mm, for video is f equals 26.8, 804.0mm, 16:9, and for still images is f equals 26.8-804.0mm, 16:9, or f equals 32.8-984.0mm, for :3. What we like. This camcorder is a renewed model, offering great value with its 30x optical zoom and highlight video creation feature. It automatically creates highlight videos in MP4 from multiple clips. If you are looking for a budget-friendly option with great features, you should consider it. What people say. It is by far my most used, most reliable video camera. It also takes great photos. Has great sound, clear quality HD picture and great zoom length. It is lightweight and compact. Perfect for recording my performances. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.